Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to get yourself an eBay card, whether you want a digital or a physical one from a store. Let's begin. First, the easiest way to buy an eBay card straight is from the eBay's official website. So just choose whether it's for you or someone else. Pick the amount and then you're good to go. So make sure to go to the official website right over here. Okay. Another great option is PayPal. Head to their website, search for eBay gift cards, or you can go to this link and you will be able to select the same options. How much it is it for, and if it's for you or someone else. Okay. Now, if you prefer something physical, you can find eBay gift cards at most major retail chains or even smaller local shops. Now, another way you can actually redeem is go to Rewarble. Okay. So, right now, go to rewarble.com and you should now be able to find a eBay gift card if you're going to scroll down. Okay. So, eBay gift card, I'm just going to look it up. Here, we can either buy one or redeem for eBay. Okay. So just simply go and follow their instructions. You just need to be very careful and make sure to enter the appropriate details, such as your email address, which is very important. And once you're ready to shop, head to the checkout on eBay and enter your gift card code. The amount will be automatically deducted from your total and you can use it for auctions like buy it now items, pretty much anything on eBay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.